If you're looking for a high-performance router with advanced features for your home or small office network, the TP-Link Archer C5200 might be the perfect solution. This powerful tri-band router comes equipped with the latest technology to provide a fast and stable wireless network for all your devices. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the TP-Link Archer C5200 and explore its features, performance, and capabilities. We'll also show you how to set up and configure the router, as well as how to customize its settings to suit your specific needs. The Archer C5200 is designed for homes and small offices that require high-speed and reliable connectivity for multiple devices. With 3 separate wireless bands, one 2.4 GHz band and two 5 GHz bands, the Archer C5200 is capable of delivering speeds of up to 1000 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 2167 megabits per second on each of the 5 GHz bands. This means you can easily connect multiple devices and enjoy lag-free streaming, gaming, and browsing. The Archer C5200 is also equipped with advanced features such as MU-MIMO technology, which allows multiple devices to connect to the router at the same time without sacrificing speed or performance. This feature is particularly useful for households with multiple users who use a lot of bandwidth, as it ensures that everyone gets a fast and reliable connection. Another notable feature of the Archer C5200 is its Smart Connect technology, which automatically assigns devices to the appropriate wireless band based on their individual needs. This ensures that each device gets the best possible performance and reduces congestion on the network. In addition to its wireless capabilities, the Archer C5200 also comes with a range of wired connections, including 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports for high-speed data transfer and a USB 3.0 port for connecting external devices such as hard drives and printers. Setting up the Archer C5200 is straightforward and can be done using either the web interface or the TP-Link Tether app. The app is particularly useful for those who prefer a more streamlined setup process, as it guides you through each step of the process and allows you to manage your network from your smartphone or tablet. Once you've set up your network, you can customize the Archer C5200 settings to suit your specific needs. For example, you can set up parental controls to restrict access to certain websites or limit internet access during certain hours. You can also configure QoS, quality of service, settings to prioritize certain types of traffic over others, ensuring that important tasks such as video streaming and online gaming get the bandwidth they need. Overall, the TP-Link Archer C5200 is a high-performance router that is ideal for homes and small offices that require fast and reliable wireless connectivity from multiple devices. With its advanced features and customizable settings, it provides a versatile and easy-to-use solution for all your networking needs. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to get the most out of this powerful router.